I'm going to call upon Nidhi, who is going to share some details about people behind putting this entire event together.
All right, everybody, are we having fun? Do we need a quick pick-me-up or something? Wait, how many people have won the bingo, like done, what is it called? Oh, wow, that's quite amazing. Full house? Okay, you gotta do better, come on. Okay, so you've heard a lot about SheTO, you've heard my name, I've been up here on the stage, but organizing a conference, getting a community together takes a lot more than one person, right? So for this conference, so I have this little story. Monica actually, beginning of the year, last year she was pinging me. She's like, Nidhi, we gotta do a conference. I'm like, dude, it's a fucking shitload of work. Then again this year, she started pinging me, and I'm like, Monica, it's a shit ton of work. I don't have the bandwidth. And I actually paired her up with Madhu, who's here somewhere, right there, hoping that Madhu would talk some sense into her. A month later, they come to me and they say, we should do a conference. I'm like, fuck. But here we are. So I want to thank, this would not have been possible. None of us had done this before. Then I roped in my co-founder, Heather, who's also here. Heather's like, Nidhi, really? We're really doing this? I'm like, I've kind of committed to it now. Sorry. So Heather, Monica, Madhu, please stand up. And girls, let's give them a huge round of applause. And so many, and just 2 days ago, Monica was starting to get very nervous, and I'm like, Monica, trust me, nobody will know this is the first time we're doing this. And based on the feedback we've gotten so far, I don't think you guys felt that this is the first time we're doing it. We're pros, right? Right. And that's thanks to all of our volunteers. So we basically, it's the entire community. So if you think you're too busy, trust me, Kanchana, who's up on the left, she could not make it to the summit because she has 2 young kids in Toronto. She wanted to be here, but she's a VP of engineering at a tiny startup, but she helped a ton behind the scenes, right? So each one of us can make the time. So I want to just rattle off some names here. Saskia, who you may have seen at the front desk, registration desk. Lakshmi, or Saskia is right there, thank you. Lakshmi, are you here? She was right there, Lakshmi's there. Shweta, thank you. There, Nandini. And Nandini's been this insanely amazing connector. I could not be more grateful to have her in my personal boardroom. Wen, who has been this amazing mic runner, who's been bringing mics to you for your questions. Dipti, thank you for keeping us on track. It's interesting, after the first couple of panels, I went outside and there were a few speakers there and they're like, this is the first conference I've been to, which is running on time. This must be a women's conference. So thank you, Dipti. Shreya. Shreya's right there, thank you. And Shreya also happens to be Madhu's daughter, who's here. And Anaga, right there. Anaga flew in from Seattle. And Lizzie, of course. Thank you. So you've heard a lot about community. I will tell you, growing up in the industry, I didn't make time for community. I didn't make time for myself. I didn't make time to participate in any community because I was like, I'm too busy. Now that I've actually partaken, is that a word? Partaken in this community, I know what I was missing out. So please don't make my mistake. I don't care. It doesn't have to be SheTO. It can be any community. It could be your WIT at work. But definitely do not go it alone. You don't have to. There are many more of us that exist. And that's why I founded SheTO, to show that we exist. So please take advantage of people around you.